Hello YouTube, I'm David with the David West channel. Today I want to encourage you when you're trying to make fire and everything out here is damp like this punkwood and the leaves on the ground and all the twigs and branches, take your time. You don't always have to make a fire in 3 minutes. Sometimes it might take 30 minutes. So we'll use my tray here and get some of this punkwood that is not dry. But I am going to crush it up, which will give it a chance to dry a little bit. Oh, I'm going to be using the wallet fresnel lens, and I'm going to have to take and train that focal point on that punkwood for longer than usual to help dry it out and get a good strong ignition. So I'll be careful what I put in there. I don't want this dust to be too wet, too damp. And once again, we're using the wallet fresnel lens just like yesterday. Always put those ridges towards the sun. And now the sun, the brightest part of the sun is out here. Let's try that. All right, now we're just gonna choose our leaves for the tinder bundle very carefully. If you have to pick up just one at a time and test it for moisture, I mean, do what you gotta do, right? Yep, I feel moisture in them. I'd like a stronger ember than that. I'm going to try to pile up some of that powder on top of the ember. Now these leaves feel dry. Good. Let's transfer it to the leaves now. All right, y'all, do me a favor. Before you leave my channel, please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in that drop-down list, select all. And do give the video a like. I appreciate you joining me on this one. We'll catch you on the next one.